Alright, what's this game called?
It's either Dizzy Bat or Beer Bat.
Alright, we'll call it Dizzy Bat. This is Danny playing Dizzy Beer Bat.
We're going to take to the bong end.
He has to chug beer out of the bat. As many seconds as it takes, he has to spin around in circles, and then he has to try and hit a beer can with the bat. Alright, let's get ready. He's going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4.